when things are going for you.
Yeah.
People only go on like them glad for you.
That's true.
You see the least little thing where we do them same one chastise and vote we out.
Same stuff.
Judges.
Don't listen, what am I say? Them want hear so drop out, but that them not hear no day. Cause right now, grow up now, look on them. We are dealing with better things. We are dealing with better things. Right now, grow up now, look on them. We are dealing with better things. We are dealing with better things. Merl grow push the apex. Watch out for we. Don't know say we are like the trophy.
All aboard, all aboard. All aboard, all aboard. We are right up school, we are sing some notes. We are hustle up the money just to get some votes. What you know? Merl Grove, I come to my shop to show. We are split the lyrics. You know it's not a joke. Ah boy, wait man. We are gonna show them the Grove and the one.
Vote. What do people fear vote? What do people fear vote?
I'm going from song bang bang Huawei. Anything you have?
Vote. What do people fear vote? What do people fear vote? 4448801. 4448801.
Merl Grove, that was fun. I hope they get the message that they must vote, right? What I love the most about your performance is your tone, because when you guys sing unison, it sounds like one voice, and that's not easy to do. You did a really good job with that, and your harmonies are beautiful. So, very good, very good. Proud of you.
Yeah, well, I really, really enjoyed it. Same thing, echoing the same thing that Michael said. I just wish that you did a little more in terms of the harmonies, that's about it. But beyond that, I really, really enjoyed it. And I think that them should go vote.